Check one, check two.
Swear I'll behave.
Yeah.
You wanted control. So
Alright.
I put on a show. Now I'm naked. You say I'm a kid. My ego is bad.
Check one, check two. You know we up in the mix. DJ Rum Boss, enough live vibes.
Take it back, talking, I know you. Kiss me till you're drunk and I'll show you all the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I've got the moves like Jagger. I don't need to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I'll own you with the moves like Jagger. I've got the
Live Vibes Friday. Rum Boss International on the set. Live Vibes TV, you know the vibe. Ready go. Listen, we here at Live Vibes Friday, Vibes Friday. We switching it up this week. We doing house party edition. You know, we got some requests in the comments and stuff, so we gonna switch it up this week. Remember to like and share and subscribe. Ready?
Listen up, y'all, cause this is it. The beat that I'm banging is delicious.
Burgerlicious definition, make them boys go loco. They want my treasures so they get their pleasures from my photo. You can see me, you can't squeeze me. I'm easy, I'm sleazy. I got reasons why I tease them. Boys just come and go like seasons from the riches. But I'm promiscuous. And if you were suspicious, all that is fictitious. I blow kisses. That puts them boys on rock. And they be lining down the block just to watch what I got. So delicious. It's hot, so delicious. I put them boys on rock, so delicious. They want a taste of what I got. Just wanna taste the way I planned, not my intention. I got so brave, drinking in.
Vibes Friday, y'all know we gonna switch it up this week. Rum Boss International here. We gonna take care of y'all. House edition.
Just wanna try you on. I'm curious for you. Caught my attention. I kissed a girl and I liked it. The taste of her cherry chapstick. I kissed a girl just to try it. I hope my boyfriend don't mind it. It felt so wrong. It felt so right.
Vibes Friday.
This was never the way I planned, not my intention. I got so brave, drinking and
Yeah, we're switching it up this week.
It's not
We going with house party edition. I'm gonna test the ladies in the building right now. We gonna see if they remember songs. Yeah, I remember back in high school when songs like this was out, everybody was lit. Hold up, ladies.
I kissed a girl and I liked it. The taste of her cherry chapstick. I kissed a girl just to try it. I hope my boyfriend don't mind it. It felt so wrong. It felt so right. Don't mean I'm in love tonight. I kissed a girl and I liked it.
Vibes Friday, let's switch it up again. Ready? Let's see the people in the party. Alright.
There's so many ways to love you. Baby, I can break you down.
Live Vibes TV, each and every Friday, Vibes Friday.
Many ways to love
Come
you.
on.
Got me like, oh my God, I'm so in love.
Oh shit.
Found you finally. You make me wanna say, oh, 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 oh my God. You make me wanna say.
Everybody that's enjoying themselves in this house party, get party. Let's go. All right. on Live Vibes TV. Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. If you don't know the vibes, get used to it. Tune in, subscribe. Everybody knows.
Move your body out of love. Put your troubles aside. Start living. Anybody can let go. Throw away all your problems. Cause right now it's party time. Girl, don't feel out of place. Cause I'm in love with this feeling now. Hope that this will last.
Hold up.
We should
Hold up.
make it last.
Let's go.
You love to drink. So do we.
Right now, I'm talking to everybody in this house party that's enjoying themselves. You know you enjoying yourselves. You know you fuck with Live Vibes TV. Put your cups up in the air right now. Just all right, let's go. Now we say. One, two, ready, go. Look, we gonna party. We gonna party in here. We gonna party. Everybody, let's go.
And everybody knows I get off the train. Baby, it's true. I'm like Inception. I play with your brain, so don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused. No.
This Live Vibes TV, we gonna switch it up tonight. Ready? Everybody start.
I'm yelling timber, you better move. You better
When the beat drop, everybody start jump. When the beat drop, everybody start jump.
I'll be the one.
I want to see everybody start jump. Not yet. You know you partying with Live Vibes. You know you partying with Rum Boss International. Everybody start jump, 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 jump.
These biggity boys are diggity down. I'm like Miley Cyrus, clothes on, twerking in their bras and thongs. Timber, face down, booty up. Timber, that's the way we like the world. Timber, I'm sicker than an oil spill. She say she won't, but I bet she will. Timber, swing your body round and round, and then the night is going down. One more shot, another round, and then the night is going down. Swing your body round and round, and then the night is going down. One more shot, another round, and then the night
Ready up, ready up.
going down. I'm yelling timber, you better move. You better dance. Let's make a night. You won't remember.
Vibes TV. Vibes Friday. Everybody.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber, you better move. You better dance. Let's make a night. You won't remember. I'll be the one.
Vibes Friday. House Party Edition. Ready, now.
So you wanna play with me? Boy, you should know what you're for.
What's your dancers?
Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you.
What's your dancers? No, walk, 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 walk. All right.
A perfect storm, perfect storm. 'Cause what's your mind? What's your mind?
Ready, go. Everybody say. How we say? Vibes Friday. No. It's Vibes Friday. If you like the vibes, please subscribe. Ready, go. Up.
Looking for nobody when you look my way. Possible candidate, yeah.
now, let's party. Everybody know. Stop move, everybody stop move. Stop move, everybody stop move. Stop move, everybody stop move. When you know say you shave with your shampoo.
She wakes up early every morning just to do her hair now.
Alright.
Because she cares, y'all. Her day I wouldn't be right with.
You see on a song like this, you just start dance however you feel like dancing. Everybody.
She's just like you and me, but she's homeless. She's homeless. As she stands there singing for money, la da dee, la da da, la da dee.
Watch it, crowd. Watch that. Alright. I'm gonna no.
In my sleep I see her begging, preaching for me. Although the heart is not mine, I ask why. She's just like you and me, but
Shout out everybody in the chat. You know it's Vibes tonight. Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. House party edition tonight. Featuring Rumboss International. Ready now, let's go. I'm talking to everybody in the building that smoke weed. 1, 2, 3, go!
Me a drive in from Beijing with a phone of the marijuana. Pull me over, say to me, girl, officer, where you mind? Fall at me, swell for you. What I do someday, I know what I do. You must go watch your boy, what you gonna do?
I'm a weed smokers.
Body me not stop on my ganja. Then me must get paid, we can go there, like me, I get saved. This a officer, who know me with the ganja. This a officer, I'm gonna be one from this a officer.
1, 2, everybody! Yeah, check. Rumboss! You don't know this, your boy Girls Jam. You're tuning into Vibes Friday each and every Friday. We here, we live. Like we said, today is a house party edition. I like how the chat looking active. I like how the house sounding active right now. People in the chat. Right now, if Rumboss them go out with a good warm, that was a warm-up, you know. If them go out with a good warm-up in the chat, me just want to see be fire emoji in the chat right now. Say Rumboss in the chat if Rumboss them start up good. And everybody in the chat, check in. Type on your name, check in so we can give you a quick shout out. And we do take selections tonight. So ladies, right now, I introduce to you from Rochester, New York, the youngest and the baddest sound in town, Rumboss International. Ready? Okay. Watch them style here.
shame that you came here with someone. So while you're here in my arms,
Watch them style here, Rumboss. Make we show them so we party any and anyhow.
die young.
Okay. Them say you are not drop bomb next week. They say we are dead tomorrow, but you see tonight what we are doing. Come back with. Oh God. Yeah, hold them funny. Let's go.
Young hearts out our minds, running till we out of time. Wild child, looking good, living hard just like we should. Don't care who's watching when we tearing it up, you know. That magic that we got, nobody can touch. Looking for some trouble tonight. Yeah, take my hand, I'll show you the wild side. Like it's the last night of our lives. We'll keep dancing till we die. I hear your heartbeat to the beat of the drum.
All right, Rumboss.
Oh, what a shame that you
Them never
came
think you
here
can play them
with
tune in Rumboss. Make we show Rochester different vibes in the night. Make we show the internet how Jamaicans party right now. Anything drop, we fuck it up.
chat. Get outside the chat and like the actual video and share it and come back and comment done. Ready? Let's go!
He's running the game. Now, bang, bang, boogie, get that kitty little noogie in a nice, nice little shade. I gave Susie a little pat up on the booty and she turned around and said, walk this way. I'll say every word of my name. I'm the best you've ever had. If you think I'm burning out, I never am.
Okay! Well, I call the also active right now. Right now, where's the rumba? So we're gonna make the crowd sing, we're gonna make them sing. Watch your style, yeah. Watch your style, yeah. Watch your style, yeah. Watch your style, yeah. Every man in the party, look on a female next to you right now and sing to her. Sing to her!
I know you love me. I know you care.
Oh God! Okay! I'm karaoke! Yes, producer, turn on the mic, now you know we are sing. Oh God!
Girl, quit playing. We're just friends. What
Yo,
are you
Bucky!
saying?
When you have the call, when I'm in ex and she don't pick up the phone. You want to hear the voice note on me left on the phone to her. What me tell her and say?
Baby.
Oh God! Again! But quick talk! What's the vibes in that two blood? Right now, all the man them in the building when you say love real. And a girl do something and it jerk your heart a little bit. Let me understand sing right now. Sing to her.
I know you love me. I know you care.
Oh.
I will never, and I'll be there. You are my love. You are my heart. We will never, ever, ever be apart. Are we an item? Girl, quit playing. We're just friends. What are you
Right now, son, right, everybody in the chat is looking active. Like I say, you're tuning into Vibes Friday. Yes, Jay alongside Rum Boss. House Party Edition. Yo, mama, where you at? Where you at? Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Everybody just. Everybody just. Everybody just. Everybody just. Everybody just. Right now, the part of the party, you call. Let's get active. Remember them junior people. Yo, Nate, me feel like we need a freestyle, you say, you know. When you say you can't freestyle something for them, Nate.
Girl, them skill out.
You can't freestyle something for them, Nate.
So me give it up.
When you say you freestyle something for them, go on the road.
Hey, that them say. Watch out now, watch everybody jump up in the place. Rough boss, what me say? Bump buck out now, that's how we start now. If you step up the nigga shot in your ass mouth, you see the bullet up me shot it off all out. You see you get just grab by your ass out. Fuck Lord. But if you run it again, run it again. Bump buck out now, that's how we start now. If you step up the nigga shot in your ass mouth, you see the girl don't me shot it off all out. You see you get just grab by your ass out. Bump buck out now, that's how we start now. And then me take out to the little low small house, and then me got me the competition in our small road. And then she got me the competition in our small road. Bump buck out now, that's how we start now. Watch that now, you see how the people them are real. Hey, watch out now, rap boss. We are gonna start party with the people them. You see, anytime me get a girl in the winter time, you know what me tell her, say?
To our girls, 5 million and 40 nasty shots.
Ladies, listen.
Well, on the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl,
Vibes Friday.
you can be.
Everybody start move right now, just.
I got to the girl, them broke out on the floor. From you know I work with performer. From you know I man where
Well, girl is here, you remember too late, them now. You remember too late, them now. When you remember you right there, I want to see everybody start pick with them foot. Ready? How will we say?
And this is how we really bleed.
And then we take.
Tell them like it, make them see. And I
You see the first time I get my dirt bike, you know I step out the road and say, ring, ding, 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 pull up that. All right. This is the vibes you get from Vibes Friday. You see when Rumbas International touched them. You see when Live Vibes TV link up. And this go on.
tell them like it, make them see.
You see the first time I buy a dirt bike, you see when me touch out that on the road for first year. Ring, ding, 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 bad people.
I saw me long but I run out on them. Extra load the bag and out on them. Find them from like it's a load on them. Youngsters gorillas come out on them. Long but I run out on them. Extra load the bag and out on them. Want them from like it's a load on them.
It's a ready.
In the city, go down. Fear bands, go down. Do along the must, go down. Love the youth them. Yeah. Jam make him thunder rolling on the lightning flash. And the pagans them chop down. Oh my God.
All right.
We burn bad mind like paper down.
House Party Edition, Vibes Friday. Let me start party with the people that run boss.
All the girls that's here for the true come put both hands on the DJ booth and find your way to the big man sound.
Ladies, come down, just.
Baby, lift up your gown with your face so sweet. Wanna spin you around. If I play gang, I'll bring you around. If I go to the bar, I'll bring you around. Which one? Which one? You're not letting things you around. You're a real good girl, so I'm ringing you down. But come to the bed, I'll fling you around. Well, these guys can't make songs for the girl, them. Trust me, this how the single should sound. Fuck anyone that's bringing you down. Sweetheart, you're doing your thing right now. Good heart. Yeah, all the girls that's here for the shoe, come put two hands on the DJ booth, then wind your waist on a real good dude, then you want sex or your ex, which one? You want friends or success, which one? Tell the sound man, spin this one, play this for the goddamn party done.
God forbid the girls tryna have fun. I got X if you wanna take drugs. Do you wanna have sex or do you wanna make love? Which one, which one, which one, which one? Got a fairy tank and I got a which one? A G'd up thing that I bring sticks round and I got a good girl, snitch one. Too many gal, now I gotta switch one. Turn the hotel to a 20v1. 360, my head got spun. Junk in the trunk, can't see it from front. Got your body is T, it's pain, I'm sprung. Your backside weighing you down 1 ton. I got a chopstick for your 1 ton. Tell me what you want, what you really, really want. Put a coin on the slot, you just hit jackpot.
Hey, all the girls that's here for the true, come put two hands on the DJ booth, then wind your waist for the 6-side you earn.
Vibes Friday. I want to take some time to shout at the people in the chat. I want to big up everybody in the chat right now that's lit. Ready? Ready? Okay.
Back in that mode. Told all the dogs with the road. We got a number. Filipino of a man. I don't even know what she is. I just been tagging the man. I don't wait for you. I'm gonna make it for me. You wanna watch it. You wanna burn the man.
I'm talking to the people in the house party right now. You know you got a hater. They talking and asking a whole bunch of questions about you. You know what you gonna tell them when you sit there? Fuck you mean?
And when they back calling me splurge, but me jump right off the curb. Make this shit fly like a bird. Spit on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young, I don't wanna, they working my nerves. I'm about to pause to serve. Fucking this bitch like a perv. Smack on the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can merge. So no things you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the BBP lit. Cupid ski. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villain. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us wrong with decision. Young like they calling me splurge. I can jump right off the curb. Make this shit fly like a bird. Spit on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Give me a stick of it. Heard.
Man, talk to the one there. If I meet a girl before the same night, I just said, remember Oscar this one the first night. Me said for once, you got something on tonight, you know what she said to me?
We have a fuck up a party tonight, you just watch. Tonight we feel like spend some cash. Who of the Benz just watch. If a Givenchy shoes, then the belt must match. Gucci love fats with a tough top. But enough the call thicker than a blood clot. Do you know, they tell me with a touch pop. When a bad sound clear, we say put it up top. Everybody shout, Push, load, rum, choke. Yo, we a wild out and a shout. Push, load, rum, choke. What I do, God, tell them it. Beat them, yeah, just a smile with the pretty teeth them. Give me the lucky if you beat them. Pull up on the armrest, kick them. Do them with the push with the any treatment. Anybody to not step in street shell. Beach party, we turn up on the station. And when we say TP, them a dream weekend. We a shout,
Vibes Friday, each and every Friday, we talking about Live Vibes TV. Tuned in with Rumboss International. If you look for the camera, you see Alice J and Brussels Hot Dogs ready. What dance, everybody? What dance? What dance, everybody? What dance? Ready, mix. I'm talking to the ladies that's been drinking some liquor tonight.
I'm gonna take my time.
Oh shit!
She gon' get hers before I'm gonna take it slow. I'm not gonna rush the stroke, so she can get a sexual eruption. So I can get a sexual eruption. So we can get a sexual eruption. Sexual eruption. Oh. She might be with him, but she's thinking about me. We don't go to the mall, we don't go out to eat. All that we ever do is play in the sheets. Smoke us a cigarette and go back to sleep. We done got a sexual eruption. Sexual eruption. Sexual eruption. Sexual eruption.
Hold up, ready to go.
He's always in the club. He's got a lot of chicks, he's so messed up. He's been locked up by somebody else, he ain't but a thug. So
Hey, and they say I'm a freak. I got a different girl every day of the week. You're too smart, you be a dummy to believe that stuff that you heard that they say about me. They say that I'm this, they say that I'm that, but all of it's fiction, none of it's fact. But you don't be hearing it about your love, you let it go in one ear and out the other. They say, she say, they say it, I heard it. Be fake, we can't let it get on our nerves. She's miserable, she just wants it to be like her. Misery needs company, so don't listen to that vine of grapes there. Nothing but liars hating a bit. They wouldn't mind trading places with you by my side in my mistake.
he all of that, he always in trouble. He ain't in peace, got a lot of chicks, he's always in the club. He ain't slick, he's got a lot of chips, he's so messed up. He's been locked up by somebody else, he ain't but a thug.
Hold up, ready to go. Everybody in our Vibes Friday.
Baby, do it, leave make them dance when they come on. Everybody looking for a dance, no belong.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride.
Oh shit!
I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for
One more time.
glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah. I got you.
Oh shit.
You're my star. I need you.
love and they end up hating on me. She told me she loved me and she been waiting. Fighting hard for your love and I'm running thin on my patience. Need someone to hug, even took it back to the basics. You see what you got me out here doing? Might have threw me off, but can't nobody stop the movement. Let's go. Left foot, right foot, levitating. Pop stars, do a leap with the baby. I had to lace my shoes for all the blessings I was chasing. If I ever slip, I'm falling into a better situation. So catch up, go put some cheese on it, get out and get your bread up. They always leaving you, pop, you run together. Weight of the world on my shoulders, I kept my head up. Now baby, stand up, cause girl, you
want me, I want you, baby. I'm sugar, I'm meditating. None of you ain't.
I'm talking to the island ladies in the building. Ready?
I think it's the end of my day. Lord, I love you exactly
Ladies, you know you're feeling the vibe. Let me get a one wine out of now. Ready?
Look at people in here tonight.
Oh shit, you think I lie?
And it's you running.
Vibes Friday, ready?
I might if I want you to give me time like you want this darling. I have something for you right there. I catching a feeling right up on your bumper, baby. I know where you're from, Miss Lady. I'll forget if I go down there. I know you're not easy. Long time I've been waiting for you. I have something for you.
Ladies, you can't go down for me.
To leave in the morning.
Ready?
I'm looking for somebody.
Oh,
you could come and look for me.
Watch it now, watch it now, watch it now.
Call me. I still look up the key there. At the end of the party.
All right. Oh gosh. We're gonna step in this Caribbean voice. Yeah, stand by.
Anything by the bag, you be plenty.
Ready now.
Now the things start. We love the drinks to be hot.
Everybody say shots.
To the head, hit the liver. We drink plenty liquor. We don't play with it. Anything by the bag, you be plenty. Calibre liquor shot at the century. Now the things start. We love the drinks to be hot.
Ladies,
Shots to the head, hit the liver. We drink plenty liquor. We don't play with it. We don't play with it. Send shots to the head, hit the liver. We drink plenty liquor.
Hold on, the yellow shit. Take back up the buckle there.
We don't
Take back up the buckle there.
my gray suit with the gray.
Take back up the buckle
My
there.
straight move with the same.
You see when you have the buckle there in your hand. Low.
Mix the whiskey with the grape.
Low.
Punch the punch.
You see when you have the buckle there in your hand. Remember said nothing else can't go on. You see anything this buckle tell you to do, you have to do it. You already know that.
Tell you you's a big dancer. Come show them you's a big dancer. Bend down if you's a big dancer. Waistline cause you's a big dancer. When you come, tell you you's a big dancer. Ready? Come show them you's a big dancer. Bend down if you's a big dancer.
Everybody knows. Start drink. If you got a cup in your hand, I want to see you start drink.
We got the big shot. She got the big shots. You got the big shot. One, make you wanna have some fun. Shot two, make you wanna start the move. Shot three, make you wanna come by. The kind of type that will bring a rum just for the car. Right down to the groove there, and then we'll drink on a Monday or Tuesday or any day a new beat. I don't too care.
Hold on. Rum boss, me here say somebody girl them waistline stuck. Them want some WD-40, them want some cooking oil. You know me have to tell them, ladies, start wine right now. 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 Me don't know what go on the blood house. Ladies, for you know say your waistline good. You can't dance, you can't move. Start wine for me now. Start move, every girl start move. Start move, every girl start move. On the ready. Every girl start dance right now.
This chick from country, come from the season, looking for fun. Whitey, went west so long, now she back home, wailing down the town.
Ladies, I wanna
I want to run down, talk to this so bad. I wanna. Ladies, start wine right now. Ladies, start wine right now. More I see everybody where I enjoy themselves. Start moving right now. No. You see one Friday forward, me happy your friend. You know why? Because my damn girl is here, so you know what I'm going tonight. Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. Everybody start move.
We all at the ground, yeah. We all in the ground, yeah. We up on the story. It's up on a Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning. Everybody coming in. We ready to go, yeah. We gon' make them jump. We gon' make them turn up. We gon' make them ride. We gon' make them free.
Alright guys, everybody, I'm going to Carnival in California in May. If anybody wants to join me, come with. Follow me on Instagram and I'll give you all the information. Thank you. Men and women can wear costumes.
She talking about carnival, eh, boy? Well, you know, we get into some carnival vibes. You see what I said, boy? You see when I go down the gully, I catch the water and I tell my mother's cut for the bottom of the water flow over, boy. You know what I said? You see, anywhere I go, I drink rum like a fucking boss. You know what I said? That? Let me tell them, no. Oh, shit! He dropped it down. Mother's gun, boy. I'm jumping out. You see when me and my friend them touch road was carnival, you know we party. Let me tell you how we party. You think it's simple thing when you party with me and my rum friend them? Oh shit, I Jamaican but I can't put on the headset phone away. You know what I said? You see I got killed on with it to my hey. Everybody! Party! We got party in this motherfucker, hear me? Every day is Fentite, come on to 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 Fentite. Don't know too much, I come here to Fent, come to play, I'm ah, shit! Until I went, come to play, I'm I don't live my life with regrets, no, I come to jam on a bumper, come to drink on the liquor, until my head's gone, and I'm miserable, all over the road. Causing trouble. Look how the security are watching. Look, they don't know about it. And it's much of the place and they step like a jumper. And to a man, they don't want me in their party. They don't want me cause I'm too one way. They don't want me in their party. Watch out, run boss. My baby mother says she can't deal with me no more. You know why? She says she can't deal with me no more. You see, when I go to weekend time, it's only two things I like to deal with. You see, when I go to weekend time, let me tell them. Oh shit. It's only two things I like when I party. It's only two things I like. Woman and rum, you hear that? Everybody! I'm talking to the ladies that are sitting down in the party now. Ladies, you hear this song? I want you to get active. Ladies, if you know nobody or nothing is tying you down, I want you to get active. Ladies, start dance right now. Ladies, start dance right now. Ladies, start dance right now. Start dance right now. Oh, ladies, go. If you have ring for your bumper cloth finger, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Oh shit! Ladies! Ladies! If you're ready for summertime, start dance! Ready? Alright!
Let me see you sing. Don't let your boyfriend stress you this summer. Remember,
like so I give me the face like right. More than I'm up in face like
Listen, you see, it's starting to get better. The weather start get nice. The weather start get nice. So that mean on weekend I go and drink till I drunk. You know what I tell my boss? Alright, everybody say. You see when me and the Life Vibes crew link up, you know what it is? Every girl stop bend right now. Every girl stop bend right now. Just head, shoulders, knees. Alright then. Head, shoulders, knees. Alright then. Head, shoulders, knees. Every girl.
Turn around and bump. Grind to the ground and bend. You gotta be short or you could be tall. You could be big or you could be small. She don't really care, she just want all. That's that racing me when he walks. What do you got there? Tick it that, tick, tick, tick it that. Tick it that, tick, tick, tick it that. Tick it that, tick, tick, tick it that.
Hold on, lady.
I know what I'm being the best girl. I'm not trophy in being the best wife. If all the crime must be in an X5. And I say no man.
Who knows so kind of below one track? I got so caught on a bomb, cry, say bye.
No man for future.
Hey,
I stop seeing potential. I like buying rooms for a rental. Still not mine. Maybe it's yours, maybe it's mine. Maybe it's one of a kind. You are the up, but maybe next time. You are the come, but maybe next time. Wrong, down, wrong, but maybe next time. You are my come, but maybe next time. Still not mine. And all of them, but some of them. Help a man, he'll fuck your friend. Show you how the story end. I know you can't live cause you love strong. 5 years now.
Watch out, dancer. What dancer? Now see if you can dance. What that song here? Every girl to a man right now. Every girl to a man right now. Every man to a girl. Every girl to a man. Every man to a girl right now. Ladies, start dance. Every girl start dance right now. Every girl start dance right now. Every girl start dance right now. For you know, say you look good, well proud. Every girl pass on the wood, put your skin on the wood, never shake it real good. Ladies, start dancing. Me no want see no girl a dance for no girl. Man to girl, girl to man. No girl to girl. Baby, make him out to jump. Because you make him out to jump. Boy, make him out to jump. Ladies, go wind up. Go like fire. Put the style on. Wind up. Ready, go. Let me see the girls that are active in here tonight. Alright, ladies, don't act like y'all didn't eat tonight. I know y'all ate.
When the real good as them step forward and wine. Every good body girl just broke out, dance at your time. Man, I promise in the world anytime they see all your wine.
I want to see the ladies in here that say they got the Megan Stallion these. Ready, no? Alright.
Rock it up.
1, 2, ready. You see me catch a girl in there tonight. Listen. When I put her up on the bed, you know the bed head sound. Listen this.
Watch it really want me hot. Get me out of money, put me out in the fat. Fuck around and get a tan. Pussy no fuck us on me that. Hey pretty girl, come and take it from your man. Baby, me have a plan. Vacation, put you on the sand. Give you a bubble gun, make you get a van. Put you in a brand, come and put you on the bed. Head board, bust up, it goes up. Bang, 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 bang. You got me bang, 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 bang. When I'm in your house, bang, 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 bang. You got me bang, 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 bang. When I'm in your house.
I mean, money me I get, private jet, chain from my neck. Y'all pussy wet, baby, no bother fret. If your boyfriend vex, if you want sex, let me take you on a flex. Yeah, fat pussy, let me I got need it. Yeah. Squeeze your petty, let me need it. Yeah. I feel it. Yeah. Pussy me, your belly, me I got breathe. Ready?
You see a girl woman like you know what time me I go do? Ladies go.
Come back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me pick my baby dirty and away. I'm not gonna die to sip and attack you. Long till the pen.
Ladies, one more time.
Give me the kick, give me the kick, give me the kick.
What the girl?
Give me the kick. Come back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me pick my baby dirty and away. I'm not gonna die to sip and attack you. Long till the pen like banana. Give me the kick, give me the kick, give me the kick.
What the girl?
She say she come from little London, she like.
What the girl?
This Vincent. Say she come from little London, she like.
Ladies, come now.
The finger roll, the nipple right there. She see the 9 and she freaking right there. She make it land, so lick a size. Cocky size, when a lick a size stretch. Girl wash, me put in her head, up in her head. I mean cocky she a meds.
Oh shit.
I should me put in her head.
Watch the know.
Like knowledge, she said.
What kind of dance that?
Big cream, make a pum pum jump like spring bee. Make a pum pum jump. Make a pum pum jump like spring bee. Make a pum pum jump. Make a pum pum jump. Make a pum pum jump. Make a pum pum jump like spring bee. Girl get wild when she see Eastside River, the whole like class C bike. She see the high sound freeze like street like rain. See a real diamond, I'm a deep white. Your pussy jump like gun. Where you Kyle make your shift jazz to the side. On the beat side, she wine and she wine and she rewind. Do your waistline, know the time she need and I need.
It's Friday. We meet one girl the other day. You know when me take her home. When me tell her, say when me bring her to my bed. Listen. Listen this. When she asked me that question, you know me tell her. Perfect. Ladies, go! Me feel like I said, and the girl them were insecure alone. We dance for our next girl. Ladies, if you can't dance for the man, you're well insecure. And that me I tell you. So you see when me see the girl them a dance for the next girl, you know what I have to say? Oh shit! I like on that. Pussy to your ball like the dog. If you don't look like the back, chip on them activate down front. Blood clot. Say I want some. Say I move some. Show your body big. Make your go on some. Me no want me go me out with it. Give me one of it in the chicken. I want people like soup. Do a little shit. Like you do a lady. Your baby and girl, you do your body. Straight gun shit, we no do Karachi. Give me your world like Pasolini. Can make it, oh yeah. Some better. Some papers. Some papers. Blood clot. Fly down a Punta Cana. Puerto Rica. Costa Rica. The side bitch says she don't fuck for visa. White toes in Caribbean. Bones. I'ma rough it up, Tom. I'ma rough it up. Have fun. Ladies. I said she lit up on the girl. Watch her now. Let me tell her this right now. Jerry, remember Kwan the other day? Let me tell her.
So she love cheap speed. She love big car when it can't fit. And a smoothie when the road come tick tick. Say you can't kick it fuck up my love tick bitch. She fuck with me cause she love live rich country girl. She love for big stick.
Tough, the girl I'm on she full from a cocky with no lipstick. Balance, the girl ride punk, cocky don't jump off your bumper. You never see the corner on the path. You let it to them just too pretty for your blouse, take it apart. Foreign granny says she come in a yard for me. Because she never come in a jazz. She says she too old for the love, but says she never too old for your cars. If you was a boom, to buy. Now it's time she made the point to fly.
Watch out now, ladies, if you see if you snap dance up on me right now, you know what I tell you? Yeah, I'm a boo. Ladies, come now. And let me see you Somebody girl them say they want the money before they take your body. Good. Somebody girl them say they want the money before they take your body. Ladies, if you want my money, you have to take your body first. Listen to this. Good girl, good girl, good girl. Hey, good girl, good girl. Watch out now. Hey, I'm saying, hey, good girl. Watch out. Let me say, good girl. Yeah. You see women jumping on pussy, what me say? So what me say? So what me say? So what me say? When I get in her wet ass pussy, you know what I said to her? Listen to this. Oh gosh. You are the good old. Ladies. You see from your pussy wet and you know dry, you know what me I gonna say? Watch out now, you say for your pussy good, you know me, I'm gonna tell you again. Oh shit. Rumboss International Vibes Friday, you know the thing though. We are cater to the ladies then. Ladies, you ever was a cheerleader before in your life? Listen to this, no. One, two, ready, go! What's that? What's that now? I'm talking to the ladies that know y'all can move your waistline. But they know what. Oh, God. You're not in the WD-40. Just watch. Start going right now. Start moving. If you want girl, just show you them. Give it all the thing. Brand new dance, it's simple. Every bird, show them the thing. Ladies. Third. Get your bones with ya. Third. Get your bones with ya. Third. Get your bones, hey. Let me see the real dance on them in here. You don't love them people that want dance and can't dance. You want me check them to basic? Sure right. They're bugs. Sure bugs. They're bugs. They're bugs. They're bugs. They're bugs. Stop. Alright, come. Let go the bird. Let go the bird. Let go the black bird. Let go the bird. Let go the bird. Stop. Alright, come, walk with it. Hey, rifle walk, walk with it. Rifle walk, rifle walk. Stop. Alright, come, chip in it, chip. Chip in it, chip. Chip in it, chip. Stop. Alright, come, my head. Right now, me talk to everybody who knows that them have liquor in your system. If you know you was drinking alcohol tonight, start rock, everybody start rock. Start rock, everybody start rock. Start rock, everybody start rock. 1, 2, 3,
Dancers sleep good in the bed. Find that I'm picking on the feather. Don't bad mind my brother when you go the leather. Only when I pick up the cheddar. If you not like that, hold them. Put it back to hold them.
Everybody stop. 1, 2, ready, go. know that dancer. Everybody start move right now, just.
Boogie, jiggy, ready. Calm them down, jiggy, spooky. Them fat shelly belly, passa with the belly. We are bust them jelly high flames. Oh, the dancing go. Movie on like it's not limbo. Tough a line, each and no.
Ready now.
And see we are smooth and we are massacre.
Watch it all of the dancers, them start move. Ready, left, right, right. 1, 2, 3. So that we take the move Nova Scotia. Ready now. Put your shoulder back to the left, man. Back it like coaster. Full suit that close can hold that damn food. Take a next step with the girl that set. As she a move to the beat, get your foot back. I will not take it, but you will be insane. This is a scene and let me see all of the dancers. Everybody will send them your dance. Start dance right now, start dancing. 1, 2, 3, kick. Keep up, can't stop. Sing up, yeah, bad. Kill up, shit. Hey, Rumba, step one side. Front of the stage. Watch out now. One side. You're kissing my camera. Oh, see dancers them. Dancers start dancing. Yeah. Can't stop. Sing up, yeah, bad. Kill up, some. Keep up, yeah, dance, jump. Pick up, make a dance couple times. Take a picture. 1, 2, ready, fix. Hold your ready now then. What's your rhythm? Hey, let me talk to the dancers then. Dancers start move with the gun. Dancers start move with the gun. For your nose so you're not going to clock. Stop move. Everybody stop move. Dummy on the beat. Watch the dancers then. Jump out, I'm smelling like a millionaire. Oh shit. Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. Rumba's International alongside Live Vibes. Jump out, I'm smelling like a millionaire. Just suck it to the Brazilian. Fresh love, the kind of girl I don't care. Plus I'm gonna give a fight the mouth thing in my ear. In my past pussy, I still different the feel like the better telling me every I feel the thing how you feel like. Close to fever, so if you broke boy, we are post from watch out now, Lou, watch out. Talk to the ladies them in the house party. This is Vibes Friday house party. I'm talking to the ladies in the building that know so you walk around with your good pussy. You never blood clot by your good pussy. You're born with your good pussy. Sit down on your lawn. Full of gumption, they go to burn me. Alright. Oh, when you sold back, I'm looking at your eye like, oh, you drop my child, me say, I saw me drop my shit. Tell me, turn, when you want me back, do the dance. Vibes Friday, each and every Friday. Rumba's International Day. Yeah, alongside DJ Rumba's. Get this J. Make the think alive. Full of gumption, they go to burn me, make you fat. When you sold back, I'm looking at your eye like, oh, you drop my child, me say, I saw me drop my pants. Me happy, I shall return. When me bubble bamboo, the and she up your nerve. Me know you want both something, then me come first. Say that bounce off, I beg you know, so me go to it. Fucking hot, me dirty dance. I saw me go to work, every money come. Fucking hot, get them from now. But if I win, I mind me, then enough to go. What's your name? Why? The ladies, them say, them want a man who don't care. They don't care if you're fat, they want not. She don't want no flowers. She want feel up the rasta flowers. She took the lip to Dr. Owen. She still want be one of the rasta lovers. But she don't want no flowers. She want feel up the rasta flowers. She took the lip to Dr. Owen. She still want be one of the rasta lovers. Remember this girl from Kingston? She just call me, say she want the Kingston. We drink some roots, we never drink them. Me tell her the kitty she feel income. Girl is J. Me I talk to the girl is them in the building. Watch her now. You ever go for fuck a girl and you realize that when you go for fuck a girl, you left your car them in your house. You left the condom them at your house. What you gonna do as a girl is? It's a real bad girl. She a 10 out of 10. You go back at your house or you go fucking girl around. Listen this. Listen this. You say as a girl is, you know what me I'm gonna do. Listen.
Tomorrow, now use no condom up in a yo. She want is up and if you took in a the boots you up rather me a go tomorrow.
Watch out now.
Condom up in a yo.
Yeah, that's all I'm a boyfriend then.
If you fling shot in her face, man, never ready.
Oh shit.
Never ready, man, never ready. Enemies who me war with dead already.
All of the bad people then.
Walk out to the stick, man, bad and bumbo clap.
What you know? You see me and my friend them. Anywhere we go, boy have a fear we. We are Live Vibes TV alongside Rumble International.
Walk out to the stick, man, bumbo clap rich. Couple rifle, and if any killers not have no life to the shit. Could have fear from Egypt. Look, see them all kneel.
Look, you see me and my friend them out there, so. You say anywhere we go, a problem. Rough boss, when we step in any club door, you know it's a problem. What the people them say?
100 murderer walking up. Bad man, bad like God in my cup.
You know why I'm only got a certain club? Let me tell you this black club.
We can't bring a gun. Play me and brand up in any party.
Alright, go!
Before the party, I was full of Louis V shoes, but I can't snap up. The artist around run pan, but me and the artist around. Money can't hold it, so me have to carry a big fat if you want me. 100 million a chunk change. When me up to the dog, I have to sleep. Kill them, I go with them good brain. A girl she not sleep on farm. The thing go break, a two bends who a talk about. Play much run, me a crash, no me like a beat with sun dust near dust. Let me tell you what, streets anywhere we go. Dog them serious.
So you know say it's a real people party this. You know say anybody in here, you can call them anytime of night when no problem go on. Sing the sort of the soon ya.
One call it take to make some boy wipe up a hurt and drop down flat.
Ready now.
Here's up, country house music. Here's up, here's up. President of pass through, I can't breathe, got my head tapped in my roof. She can't sleep, she get trapped in my mood. Don't tell me about one girl, I got two. I can't move, the white boy and I'm sure straight girl. Tell me thing I Sam Smith, I confused. Senseless, some sense, me not have clue. I feel sick, my head chip, I shot fuse. My dog them, shot people, chop food. My little start, my clocks them, the farm fool. Link head bar swing, now I come with tall broom. Cushion out the air, blaze it up, I got moon. Yeah, checkbook, don't know the score, sign it. My head top plug up, me excited. Leg might flood out and next my wrist. Me tell girl fuck out the ex my slip. Get boy pronounce we make boy sing. Yeah, to flip the other pick. My bitch brave, my link can't go fling grain so quick. We should wait to flip the other pick. Me and CN, me and danger boy from Alex. Yeah, then me and here the pick. Down the street like you made my DM assist. We replace the cage and the flame.
Someone. Ladies, you also wanna see a boyfriend like me.
Yeah, me no wanna bore with fuck. Me no wanna bore with wine. Me no wanna bore with wine. Oh, your clothes are fuck on the line, but me no wanna bore with wine. No, me no wanna bore with wine. Me no wanna bore.
She sit down by me cock, what me say?
Your pussy have to physically fit.
Oh shit.
Broke the cocky like dry magazine. Enough girls love for your feet. Enough of them back down when time me tell them me want if you pedal and wheel on that big fat cocky that will longer than a kangaroo. And hold on, and your two breasts them like the anchor. Round for me cocky like a bicycle. Round for me cocky like a bicycle. You love the lollipop, you love the icicle. But don't tell you me no wanna boring girl. Right for me cocky like a bicycle.
Watch out now, girl, this day. You see my mother pray over me day and night. So you see when me step out the road, I one thing me I go do. Me I go chant a psalms. You know why me I go chant a psalms? Because the one man fucker them don't like me. Listen. Let me tell you about the one man fucker them.
When you are running them, why you cry?
Everybody.
When you rise, you life in your
so what we do?
But walk up, pray. Break that shining like my way. Hope and pray, but hope we never stray. Hope and pray.
Now, watch out now. Some of the girl them like me, some of the girl them love me, some of the girl them hate me. Listen, let me talk about the girl them who hate me. You know why some of them girl they hate me? Because they know so they can't hear me. You see when certain time of night forward, and them say Isha, and that girl they are calm, you know them say. Why? It's Friday, House Party Edition. Now what on this one?
No man do me thing if it going to a game. Watch
everybody in the crowd.
Swing.
Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you like the vibes, please subscribe. You know the thing said.
Me have to rise with none of them tomorrow. The truth, from your death on the girl them. That the truth, every man you want be a girl of you. That the truth, from your nose to your one of the truth. That the truth, man I got you here and me and up.
You see, as a girlist, he believes that this is the biggest Vybz Kartel song. Enough man now go agree with me because them wanna girlies. You see, as a girlist, he believes that this is the biggest Vybz Kartel song. You know why me say that short?
Because we last night, with a button, tell us that night. And she's been off on me with a knife. We don't have a boss, so that's alright. You know you are the love of my life. No worry, cause you are my wife. Me have to have a new girl every night.
Listen.
She never won't give her love.
What me tell her?
Me never need to. You have to believe me.
Gonna have a baby. You know you are my everything. Me need another. But what? Papa gonna get around on the road past youths.
What you expect me to do? Love them. Tell that bullshit. Need for real, girl.
So we said
love them. Tell that touch them. Me have got everywhere. But you are me baby. Shot catch me last night. In a hot tub, tell us that man.
Let me tell you this. As a single man before, I have my own place. Me can't make sure that my place clean from head to toe. But you see, from a woman step in my life and say, yo, near enough, I'm here, your woman. Let me tell her this, she can never tell me to go help her clean out the bathroom. You know why?
On my team.
You know why?
Nothing on your team.
Listen this.
You must be. Oh, girl, be a bad man. I do house cleaning. Oh, girl, be a man. I clean from floor to ceiling. Oh, girl, forgive him my jacket. I want to check on the feet.
Vybz Friday.
Mama doesn't
let we turn up the scheme. Ready know that.
Me no change for no reason. Me no man go in a season. Enough boy make y'all clown them out for weird name and jeezy visa. Y'all could have put it like a shanty. It's against the law for wash panty. Me know and you know. It's the right for watch your sister and auntie. Hey, some of them I get a sick. Some of them I boy I love use and lip. Chat loads. Some of them I close and them girl I kill them with a lip. Shit, program him like a tip. Clean the bathroom and wash the toilet. She run him to wash the sweat and the sheep and the leather.
1, 2, ready, no mix. Everybody saw moving at the party. Everybody saw dancing at the party. They put on up the black girl party. They put on up the black girl party. Start move, start rave. For you know so you're not area. What's your now at the area? Rhythm. What we say?
A black cry no say so the thing say. No time at all, the thugs no take check. When you talk, watch your words you select, watch your step.
All of my bad people them say. Alright. What we say? I saw you on the stage.
When we ride together, flavor. When body Sunday we feel good, we say yeah. When we ride forever, we live it like a flavor. When body Sunday we feel good, dog me boss, not puppy. Last one killing, turn the big yes.
Touch people in the war, say Kartel. Me say Movado. Me gonna tell you why me say Movado. You see when Movado drop a tune, him take time and build it.
Listen like that mix. But when we ride for squeeze, why they put the freezer freeze? What's the special delivery?
One, two, ready, when she see her son, what the fucking do? She a ball and a tumble down, them a gun. Yes, what? Them a no gun man. Them alright, Chinese. I'm a one girl the other night, you know me tell her.
So sick. Dancing in the club, that's where I saw her. Everybody bought her. I want the music over the time.
Who know them Junior? Who know them Junior? You see what me see the blood clot girl was spread out and look good.
From see your wine, but you know for broke. But you know your body good, man, tell us your body good and you bad. Give me rockets, see you when you come to me rockets.
Before the rifle sound, boy run out of town.
Nobody say go in here. When they say go, put up your lighter there. Put up your trigger finger there. They know why we said that.
M16.
Oh, glad. All of them going for themselves. You see when them run, make them blood clot run. You know why they're gonna run the car? Run past international stepping at all. Live on TV.
Oh, fuck, Lord. Watch about this. You know, everything mad, everything bad. This is Vibes Friday. House Party Edition. But this, yo, I want to shout out everybody in the chat. I see y'all. Y'all saying, yo, DJ Fire, Live Vibes TV are the baddest thing right now. Yo, them must say the people, them in the back. Well, in the party. Oh, yeah, shit. Damn. Watch out.
Yeah, people, I just a quick shout out to some of the sponsors real quick. Yeah. Take a 5, G. Take a 5, G. Yeah, shout out to some of the sponsors real quick. Shout out to One Love Window Cleaning. Definitely shout out to D&K Catering. Shout out to Caribbean Spice. May I tell you, the food is well nice. Yeah, you don't know. And then shout out to All In Podcast Network. Again, shout out to the Live Vibes family. Shout out to Nine Vibes, Dr. Sauer. Bless up both of y'all. Who else got to go? Larry, Mr. Chaz, big up to y'all right now. Yeah, man. So right now, we shout out everybody. Let me see what I go on night chat. Mr. Jack here check in. Mr. Frank check in. Mr. Manta check in. Who else Mr. check in? Mr. Chucky check in. See, the chat fully active in 990. So you see right now? Take a quick intermission, shout out the sponsors, then pay some of them light bill real quick and get some free food. You know how the thing go. So if it's like chat right now, if it's active right now, bumbuckler, little box in that chat, little box, why free? So if the party are going right now, I want to drop a fire emojis for Rum Boss. Drop a fire emoji for Rum Boss. So, them say, we're still in a cemetery in a bucky. Popcorn say don't in a dirty now. So we are going for one more body. Rum Boss, squeeze.
So who gets them?
Make we work right now.
From them this, and the money this.
Don't say the clash no. Make we start here so again.
Who gas them up, going up, bust the cylinder. I'm taking a lap, dog, I've got the window. We not like it in a chest, we no ninja. One like this, in the sister. Bust the cylinder, colder than winter. Simple as they see me that we never left the inch. They cut them like they could have faster than the sprinter. See that joke, your tech bad man thing from. Bust the cylinder, and in your bed. Trigger up with some make it one in the head.
Yo, Rum Boss.
You this it and you quit and you.
You see them this me. I do think you make me this focus, you know. If them violate my family and distract me from my money. When you see from them now distract me from my money, let me show them how regular focus. Let me show them how regular focus. We do it all around 9 to 5 drop feet time. Ready? Move board, ready, what you want?
In the street, hustle every day. I have a burn, I have a pre-pay. Do the max, Asian brain.
later, be a champagne tea that Finch and Jane. I bring pumpkin.
Yo, scoop word. Some boy we violate with some time, you know. And start act funny about it. And you see, if a boy start act funny about it when them violate, the one thing we have to tell them, you know, when we go back to violate, you know, what we tell them? What we tell the pussy them? Uncle Bees, if a boy ever violate, you're gonna try to look for sorry. What we tell the boy them?
Bad man don't apologize to nobody, boy.
Oh! Okay. When the Mrs. Suchman son come out and say him almost done Batty man. We are go boom my mind. Hold on. Let me say something. Let me talk. Sealer. Bumbo clad. Let me talk. Rambas, I work with your work. Let me say when you Mrs. Suchman's son come out. The artist a big bad artist, shout out to the artist, him do not for the culture. But me see him son come out and say him almost go deep in the sea. But him run go to church. We're not gonna beat him too bad, cause enough man go all the way in the deep end, but him say him forward back. But him still gonna get 25 million lashes, but you see him?
I want you, can't stop playing.
You see that little boy there?
Oh my mind, I want him boy.
You see them talk now when you have little boy?
We have people mind, buying a want him boy. Now we have to move the man, you want them off in it. You go on, kiss up on, you don't in a bed. Walk up people like a rum down then. Send for the man, I get 10 instead. Man, that's some of them come and quit them down there. Play the chop with me on them head. I'm about to go to cast ice cream. You want me go down to jump and I say.
And you know why me can't say boom bye bye and put my hand on my chest? You know why me can't do that? You know why me can't do that? Cause me know this for myself, but them other boy can't do that. You know this for Rumbas International Live Vibes.
Represent for the
anyway we are going to get a feeling for we cry. You know why?
Them a par in a chichi man car. If they fire make we burn it.
You know why?
From them a drink in a chichi man bar. If they fire make we burn it.
Do you see what I see? Really doing that? For them afraid, them a carry on them but we act up. Wanna blaze up for them and lick it back. They bring it away. Pull them up. Rise up every candy, cover up. Every chichi man, them a get fat.
I guess after we don't kill them boy, they back to the candy. You see me as a Jamaican, one thing me can't put me on for me chest and tell you now.
No put can't take off my pants, me no play them the game. And in my bed, make me turn up the flame. Anything I move, me no stitch to my brain.
Let me tell you all of that thing. You see, yes I know.
Pussy girl, come feed a sugar cane. Within my pussy, me no miss when you know. My people love you, that to
I guess you want me catch the girl them tonight.
But the pussy jar that a girl man, the pussy jar that a man laugh. The jars of off me knock it down. She got to come back for it, yeah. Fresh like but the pussy jar that a girl man. The pussy jar that a girl man.
Everybody can arcade dance tonight in the Live Vibes house. Let me tell you about them.
Fresh like water,
you see everybody in attendance tonight. Let me tell you about the Live Vibes crew right now when we roll out. Now we stay. Oh God.
Yeah, make clean. I don't know where they clean. Clean up. Yeah, make clean.
And you see what we clean, see about you see what we are going to buy buckle. I know one buckle, you know. I know two buckle. A 3, 4, 5, 6 buckle like.
Up a rubber band, bust a rubber band.
Like.
Up a rubber band, bust a
about 5 times the buckle girl them pull up and we step out. You know why we can't say that?
Bust a rubber band. So up a rubber band, a bag a girl a come along.
Oh God.
Travel with the matic and me never trust a man. Before me suck a pussy, mother rather book a bank. A band government.
Everybody right here, so.
Me know say you never fuck a man, bust a blank. March with the rifle a cup of champ. Girl want leave, any better you go long. A 10 more new girl a come along. When it up a them a chop with the chop green lad. Say them a chop with them a chop green gas. Gold chain them a chop, some a chop.
Like I say, if you're in the chat right now, get outside the chat and like the live real quick.
Greenland, Animax, Field Dogs. Every girl say they got hot meat sauce.
your gun can't stop. What's the black? Come on, rubber band, a bag of gyal, come on, gyal. See them running in the matic, except if in my pocket, so they know that somebody got them. Come on, fuck up in your money, no traffic. Pussy them for stop it, and I see the one of them a poke. Can't tell them about crime, and I know about them. On the night, me a kill both.
Uncle Beans, why you there? You know why Uncle Beans are hiding at the corner right now?
Me no see the pussy by your feet hurt. Pussy chica, some of making 40 bird. The girl scream and I make all the earth. I better say we make your copy.
Yo, spook word. Let me tell you why Uncle Beans are behind up in that corner. You know why Uncle Beans are behind up in that corner? Why Uncle Beans are behind up in that corner?
This is what you want to do yesterday. Me no want none of them pussy for real.
That's why Uncle Beans.
Not one lately. Everybody be mad. Start to shit. For a long time, them a pre-fan me. When they did broke you and everybody alright. Start make little money, do a be a fight. The same motor you a feed, you be a
never talk about girls there, Rumbas International. What me tell you?
We could have caused all of this. Don't tell me talk like them right all mix. The fruits just a beer, you and me water this. Them can't draw me out in a weed and choice. So when you stacking up the bricks like Landa, watch you a come round, you watch you a shaker. Watch you a pour your drink, no for them a pay that. Them not figure me that. Me no want none of them pussy to rate me. I be a bad man thing I want lately. Everybody be mad and start.
Like I say, if you like the vibe, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Every Friday if you ain't going out, you staying in, but we're still outside.
The same motor you a feed, you be a buy. Them French basilic coat, fake guy. So them a coming pretty small. Watch you fuck at them a mad because you are in the place. Hypocrites are why you win match.
And them don't be a rich right now.
Man a kill your argument.
I'm just still rich, you know. I'm a rich friend, them a go show off right now.
Would the mind you push them in a pram like this?
Okay, show me $40 right now. Show me $40 right now.
Sit for me, man, sit the case, steady, one jelly, go fat like carrots in the sweet like this. Brand new berry, now your face, my taste, gas 2020 Chevy party told me I said, make sure chef cook you with it. It's a boy, Shelly. She la ready from me, I think, start up you one in a belly, not a great grass. I hate the body, can't make it a drink.
I want to go make Uncle Spook Word to show me $40. If some boy stop style me. You know me no walk with cash. You know why I'm saying no walk with cash? Hello. You know why Uncle Spook Word no walk with cash? Make him tell you.
Bad dad, spin home, no fraud. Science, hold on, cry PDF already. You pan belly, can't hold pan belly. Chicken on your star, send down America.
I want you, mother, I want you, mother, I want you, mother.
Don't shake it, come to me, the school upset. No, I don't sit down. Back of the class, me on the subject. I'm going on to be my world of sex. It's not money, but you don't get you.
Yo, Uncle Beans, you said 2026 we are gonna work every day. Why? Why you say we have to go work every day today, Uncle Beans? 2026, we not miss a day upon the clock. You know why?
Watch your style, yeah. Rich or fuck, I'm in a capping on that.
You know why?
Bag of money make me living life fraud me. Know the game like me, I do it from the bar. I'ma never have nothing, know the bottom of my head. Everything down, on it, I'm in the head. Me sing that, fuck around and 100K. Me bring that, 10 million we can sing.
You know why Ricky just showed the money a while ago?
I'm rich like Braff again, talk again. Call any call, when me do me call again. Cook on the line, big thief, hack at them. Never do a crime, them only have chopper friend, you know. And if them
shout out to all of my rich friends, them in the chat.
Club the killer never give off.
Chucky, why you there right now, my rich friend? Why you there, my rich friend? Watch your dog. And this is about to reach in the juggling. All of my rich friends have been attendance.
We got guns, we got that champion. And I'm Mike Tyson, not a pint with poison. Like a snake, but a
hello.
Send no lights, bring my rifle. Oh, if it up on me, I don't got cheese and cheese.
Oh, God Almighty.
Full up, I be a blue leaf, and the dirty gun. Full up, I be a blue Stevie. Who want this team, if you beam, I appeal. I get more.
What you say, Robots? We are chopping, see where we not hesitate.
Questions are still unanswered.
I said we not hesitate. Yes, we not hesitate. Me, I tell you now.
Presley's reprisals were like a creeping lion attacking its prey. You'll never know when he strikes. Mastics continues to not take accountability for some many death by his one diss track alone. Were they sacrificed? Questions are still unanswered.
When you say Robots, we not broke this year, 2026 in PG and no work. And if the 9 to 5 no work, oh we are gonna get the money, oh we are gonna get the money, oh we are gonna get the money. Oh we are gonna get the money.
Sweet 16,
oh my God.
Me talking me about color black.
Well, if they 25 gets bust down.
1 million last week, 1 million this week. Where's Fargo and Chase Bank 6? Well, I'm a dad, but my blood club me. St. James at the game we a teach. Penny line, we no sleep, we a preach.
Tell them!
The scam and right gun. Copy the man, the Benz, give my fun. Really pull up with the white down. Me have a bad bitch, I give me the shine down. I put them in the middle to see the Chinese. We'll never find it, still so easy.
Robots, represent them, how we are gonna deal with the money this year now.
Stay every night at the movies. And the other day, you know me, they even have to prove it. Them full of that like a broomstick. And the wine nobody tries to fuck with me mood swing.
Earlier them did a talk about bully. Watch out, everybody get quiet now when Robots are Shell 2020, 26. Anybody violate?
Why the sun on the nose? What we are gonna do with that market? What we do with some ties to a gas in the world? That's the business.
Oh God!
And everybody is gonna show up.
You can't play with gas, I know you.
It's in the cloud. She said the dust of that swine weed fish mouse. Watch out, chatty girl, boy, real fish mouse. Who wants to be rich, for free rich mouse? You want to take my crown, you have a way with your sound. Oh, the eagle, I made it, pitching sound. Then the side drop, but you know it's still on. You act like the sense of the head.
And you see the chopping no work? You see the chopping no work? We're gonna shut down the studio. If chopping no work, the studio going to shut down. We're going to block out this bumbo clock window. You see it here? Let me tell you. We're chop out this bumbo clock road master. The truth. Remember me tell you, if this YouTube thing don't work,
Dance start sell whites, don't lock up the store.
the truth.
Tight bitch now, wash off the clothes.
Let me tell you.
Everything shoot up, shut off them nose.
You see Uncle's move work?
I'm a killer. Glass up the toast. Killer gun pop off the boss. Rich land time, we no chat on the boss. Mix on finger. Remember we put on chicks like finger. Run the matic for single. Hold in our face like dimple. Forget out what I think you.
And you see how we matic them expensive. You see we don't be them. You see we don't be them.
We're gonna drop our ears. Pussy dead and stop like Batman player. Killer make way up with the Hong Kong gear. When you're fat, pussy stiff, pressing off straight. Your love car professional make it club stay. No more, no man.
You see me and me friend
Jump
them.
out with the 6 months. Shot more than a response. 15 now you with one. Cut it off in the ring, can't pull road shit now. Oh, that a skin like a pig. Pussy clear my face like a pig. Here man, here man, nothing, here man, nothing. You be making me up with a name brand up in here, come here.
What Mars you see right now?
Like me no know me wanna vice it. Bad bitch in the car shit. If you see me in a traffic, then you know I'm on it. Me no feel because the pedal didn't show. Low speed the limit so overdrive.
You see all walk one. We the big up Live Vibes TV
have to big up Gallus J. You know why I say that, run boss? Pull that up again.
Watch out, no. Watch out, as I sit up, we're not gonna make a pull up that song there until we drop our money on our board, yeah. Pull it up again. I respect me and deal with it. You see you see Gallus J. You see the rest of the dog them, the people them behind the scene and thing, let me tell you this.
Let me know me on a vice. Bitch in the car shop. If you see me in a traffic, let me know I'm on it. Me no feel for touch the pedal. Full speed, the limit so overdrive.
Yo, I want if we can't tell about Nate Love, you know, you see if you ever stranded out the road and call him, you know this.
I can't see if you miss. Get him.
Alright, we go for
I'm a dog to follow me one program. So the spot and
you see right now, I want to thank everybody who support tonight and we're in attendance. You know why we say that, Rum Boss? A long time we are trying to make that tonight possibly, but to not make it come true tonight. You see tonight, everybody on there. Everybody on there. You see everybody in attendance tonight.
Leave us so we learn. Cut off the pussy. Some of the bridges of the brain. We never turn out to be best. Champagne and quench with everything with the film. Come on, we know business go over. And if you rise against the thing, I go get fling under the dirt. Protect the points and for the kicks. Them never see you. My brother them to the title. Them get.
Yo, Ned, you see if police ever charge on and we all have to testify.
Every night the place.
We not snitch, you know we know.
Tell me, I tell you, boy. If them this the family, I pussy off with that. Big up my brother Dandy, we are do this to the end. Yeah, tell them all.
Me and my brother them loyal to blood clot. Till they each and we have our own hustle. We're not trying to go in at each other lane. You know why I say that Nate don't far around. You know why I said that? We have our own hustle and we support each other.
Me own alien, me own alien, so the white can't find me. So me own alien.
We are get to the part then. We have a couple more tune people.
Pass me drinks, and if me no rate, me no pour on your people, me no want me no links. Come me move if we load. If me can't buy a stuff, much less see buy a drinks.
Peace. Watch out now. Let me make a talk real quick. A couple girl in our life me we deal with. Me we deal with a doctor girl. Me we deal with a police girl. Me I'll deal with a police girl or a soldier girl. But you see one type of girl me not deal with and a bartender and a buckle girl. You know why me say that, Rum Boss?
Why
me say that? Listen!
Me own alien, no me own alien, so the boy can't stop.
Oh shit.
No me own.
Gallus J, big up yourself. What juggling with Rum Boss? Watch out now then.
Me no frightened feelings, no start to me thing. I mean not just some work and then me pass me things. And if me no rate, I mean no pour on your people. Me no want me no links. Come in now if you will. If me can't buy a stiff, much less see buy a drinks. Never grew up, feeble goat. I'm a born as a talk, so me mother never go away. Me no frightened of people, no frightened of people. No other people, I be frightened of me. Just I eat me in the street and me out at night. But I don't read Bible for me. Me no love lights. I never tell you the force of pressure bus fine. Pick up on your car, manage you know. Better you suffer the consequence cause you love life. I choose me stay in me own, in me own games. And nobody can sign away. Stay in me own.
Hold on there. We are talking to the people them who know real life, them know real struggles. You know nobody from St. Thomas. You know nobody will live in a St. Thomas. Watch out, let me talk to my family them. Let me talk about my family there. You see on the weekend.
Dying young girl on fire pin.
Watch out now.
The family some gyal get wiring.
Yo, Yo, Nate enough. Remember when we did younger? And we watch Russian and your little brother them outside and I do all of the most, right? And we see them and we are saying, give me a jar for a spliff, and they say no. You see, look how we know, PAP. Look how we today.
Yeah, dying young girl on fire pin. From the sun, girl, I get wiring. Yeah, see me outside, I'm phone them dialing. That is it. Rich lifestyle, I dig got them following. Watch it out. Bad mind dead when you cross off the spaceship. We are walk with that friend of me. Them never want man to make it. Every record with them set off will break it. Zero me a come from. Look for me.
Nobody there over real chronic law. Where you real chronic law? Say free law, boss.
Look for me, no.
Say free law, boss.
Me no.
Say free law, boss. You know why me say that?
St. Thomas native, look on great, it's the street now safety no shake. You see the mate with them lady a week when them brain hearts last week. Life change up why them off the car racing. You feel proud of the changes. Happy drop your range and nothing for doing you mean. A forward from slavery and you only pray for the whole of them feel with. Them not hard, can't this kill a part. But fight for me live up like sky star. You know converse now fall when you get up and work. We lost them man without first.
Anybody will know me for real. So say, me deserve everything.
Alright.
Remember when me clothes never real. Yet still, you never stole and stole and stole.
Let me tell the people that boy me deserve everything when me have to find in life. Last year me get one son. This year him turn 1 year old. You see from him turn 1 year old run boss. You know from the other day when him been a said to me. Every time me say yo, yes, you good, you know him said to me. Watch out now! That's a real father! Listen to this, me defend my own!
Tell a pussy we no run deep down. Like Chinese war, so the clip chop it up and make you fall from a distance. You know one on a discharge, man a big dog. I saw you disappear as if you never did ban. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep from. Z-Tech full of bomb like Islam. If you make I come in the enemy, then I play. Me know they're not happy for me. People are ball and a skin, cause we bad than we mean. Bloody crime scene, calamity. I shoot out plane, figure Canada G. Make them have a experience, no gravity.
All of my bad people, them, you know you defend yourself, tell them.
And tell a pussy real life, we don't take that. Violate people are dead dog. You shoulda keep in your bed cause the Taliban's never make walk. We don't laugh, we don't take that. Badness is how we end up. So show people feel up in a bed.
Watch out now. Me I talk to the man there when I breed nothing yet. You see when you breed a girl, when you breed a girl, you see 9 months later, when the big me come out, what them a say? Oh shit. Vibes Friday, Rumbas International Day, Live Vibes TV, watch out now. 9 months later, what the pitney say?
Regular day, the funny car. Regular day, we rock the Prada. But I crave we need the funny art.
Big up the people them in the chat.
Smoke and if I saza, jungle a light and it's gonna get mad. Style of work, I take the flaws and believe the time I work at the reward. I done for the talk, I critique. Head the bounce, the fire can't fire repeat. Dark, me have a hard time. Ask when me want.
Again, thanks for everybody for tuning in. This has been another successful episode of Vibes Friday. This your boy Gallus J, alongside Rumbas International. Shout out to the whole Live Vibes family, Uncle Pundai, Momo in the building, Angel, Hi Lily, we're outside. Naughty. Oh, you're hiding back there, alright.
My heart, no dog find it. No, my dogs, can't ride. Last 360, couple leaves by. Choose cars, 1250, look at the design.
Okay, people.
Dizzy, I'm a seller, so I get the money, and I stop. The things I'm up and it in my Africa. I tell us if you work, gonna be a copycat. No make it from it, I'm chilling at the top. One fast stuff's going plenty. Designer shots on my tees, I fend this ever calmness. When this ever calmness, Jenkins, tell her how she's friends to the beats.
If you like the vibes on a Friday night, just make sure say gonna call you back. If you like the vibes, subscribe. If If you like the vibe, subscribe. If you like the vibe on a Friday night, just make sure wanna come subscribe. If you like the vibes up. Everybody, thank you for tuning in. This is SJ Rumboss International. We're tuning out. Catch us next week.
Check them up, man. Daddy, get move up. Spin down and back too much. Up down. Pump on a back of field, rock no wet bed. Pussy far on, we am play to get dead. Me not here, heads like John Vladimir, who's mail down now, nothing to me. My industry, make key man. Artists get hype and then sing and quick song with the strong CW9. Delete the friction, shooters them I aim for you. Keep your head back, full of paper, yeah. Them further. Trip on the country, yo, yeah, what? Can't style a style like now, go work a dig. Watch the internet, tell me and you get them run with, bro.
Pocket full of girl, spend up fast. Me and them might not be on chest in class. When you see some of them up for me, I'll be in class.
Walk the walk, talk the talk, don't signs up, don't put on. Can't fuck around, why we start? Walk the walk, talk the talk. Walk the walk, talk the talk, don't signs up, don't put on. Can't fuck around, why we start? Talk the talk.
Simple dog, they know where them come. I since earlier me I tell Bucky, you know, and Tom and about my first heartbreak. When me see my first high school girl going I want big man care. You know why I do that? I become so big girl is Sunday. I'm Sunday, why you stay like that? What's your name?
Black shadow. These guys are.
You see, after me see my girlfriend going in the car and the car drive off me at the farm.
Give me the mic, girl, me tell us I'm a busy, because this is not my work.